back to Googie's Kitchen, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name is Alexis and this is Ted. Hello. And we post 2 videos a week on a Tuesday and a Thursday at 7 AM. So if you love a recipe video like this one and you want to see more, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you how to make my delicious slow cooker pork curry. As I just mentioned, today we are going to be making a slow cooker pork curry. Now this recipe is really simple and we love a curry in this house. We think they're really delicious and we especially love them cooked in the slow cooker. And personally I love it because these, I can just throw all of my ingredients into the slow cooker and let it cook away all day. Plus, these cost a lot less money to heat up than a conventional oven does as well. So I think these are worth the investment. If you are trying to cut back and things at this time, then these are a great way to save money as well. We have decided to have this slow cooker meal for dinner this evening, and as always, I thought I'd share the recipe with you. So here is how to make my delicious slow cooker pork curry. We have chopped all of our vegetables and we're going to put everything into the slow cooker pot for this recipe.
And I'm going to do it.
And Ted is going to put everything in. So
I'm doing everything in this.
We have topped and tailed one leek and we have sliced it.
Which I did.
Yeah, Ted did that, and he's going to put that into the slow cooker pot, aren't you? That's alright, that's alright, don't worry.
I don't want to do.
Right, there you go. In it goes, like so. And then I peeled.
No, I did it.
Oh, Ted did it.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, peeled, sliced and diced 1 carrot into 1/2 centimetre pieces and about 200 grams of butternut squash into about 1/2 centimetre pieces as well. And then we're going to pour in we don't need all of that, we only need about 200 ml, so we need about half of that, Ted. We've got some beef stock here, but you could use chicken stock if you wanted to as well, or vegetable stock as well.
That's enough.
Yeah, that's enough. So we put the beef stock in, and we're now going to put the coconut cream in. All of it.
Oh,
yeah.
squishy!
Ted's been looking forward to this bit, I think. Right. You've got some more at the top there, mate.
Oh wait, let me do it.
Okay.
I'm not a mate, I'm a boy. This lady.
And
it's got some fingers.
And what else?
It looks like shaving foam.
So this serves 4 this recipe.
4.
So I have about 500 grams of diced pork
Should
here.
I put that in?
Yeah, you can do.
Ooh.
So, but you could use chicken if you wanted to for this recipe as well. And then we are going to add our herbs and spices. So we need a teaspoon of, do you want me to help you? Dried oregano or oregano, depending on which
just
country.
one?
Yeah, just 1 teaspoon, please. Just sprinkle it over. That's it. Dried oregano, depending on which country you're in. And then we need 1 teaspoon of mild chilli powder. So you might not get the teaspoon in there. You might have to tip that. And I would suggest you do it over the pot, Ted, so you don't spill any as well. If it spills, it goes in the pot, if you see what I mean. That's enough. That's perfect. Sprinkle that over as well. And then we also need a teaspoon of ground sweet cinnamon. Woohoo! You can't get ground sweet cinnamon. No, there's too much, there's too much. That's a bit too much, sweetheart.
I like it.
Ground sweet cinnamon. Ted likes ground sweet cinnamon. Yes. If you can't get ground sweet cinnamon, then you can always use just ground cinnamon, that's fine. The sweet cinnamon is slightly sweeter, that's all, so that's why I think Ted likes it.
Yes, it's very sweet.
And then we need some green beans in there. All of them, just put those in. And now we're going to go and get a spoon to mix these ingredients around. My little assistant is going to get the spoon. And while
This is very good.
I'd use a wooden spoon from the pot, sweetheart.
This one?
Yeah, that's perfect. Just going to get that, and I'm just going to get some salt and pepper.
It's great.
What is that, mister?
Nothing. I think they're lovely.
I'm just going to get a pinch of salt to go in there. Salt and pepper to your taste. Obviously, if you like a bit more, then please add it in. And then we're also going to add in a little bit of pepper as well. Ted likes spicy, but doesn't like it too spicy or peppery.
Hey, it's got some on my hand.
So yeah, and we're going to mix that round like so. That's perfect, Ted, I think there. You've covered everything in the sauce. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the lid on. I'm going to turn this on to high for about 3 to 4 hours, or if you want it quicker then I would do it on low for about 2 to 3. Forgot to tell you that I actually forgot to put some bay leaves in. Teddy's just going to point to the bay leaves there.
Right there.
So that's the bay leaves that I put in as well. Our dinner is done, so we're going to lift the lid. Oh, that smells really nice. Is it warm?
Yeah, she burnt me.
Oh. And I'm just going to add some of this to the bowl, like so.
Ooh, pork. I love pork.
And then I'm going to add some quinoa as well. And that, my friends, is our delicious dinner done. And we're really looking forward to eating this. That's how you make my delicious slow cooker pork curry. And we're off to have this now. It smells so good. I can't wait to eat it. So for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And please feel free to leave any comments below. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye!